Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Vauxhall Grandland X. Now of course you've got LED daytime running lights, you've then also got front parking sensors, you've then also got these brilliant 18-inch alloy wheels. Of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Then coming around to the rear, we've also got your rear parking sensors. Coming inside the tailgate, we do have a full electric opening tailgate where you can just press the button and it will simply lift up like so. You've then also got 64-seat split folding rear seats which you can fold down with a lever on either side. So when you pull that, it will fold down flat with the boot floor, just so it makes it easier for any objects going in. You can then also fold the boot floor, push the boot floor down, and it will act as to give you more space. You've then got your electric tailgate just there, tap the button and it will drop down. Showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have part cloth, part leather interior with your Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got electric windows all round. Coming inside, we've then got your automatic gearbox in the middle. Coming to the main controls, we've got your traction control off, tyre pressure monitoring system, lane keep assist, stop start off, parking sensors off, and then your child locks. You've got dual climate control in the front as well. Then we also have your touchscreen display which has your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources. We've then also got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the left. We've then got your volume, Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, track select and source on the right. We've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Grandland X has done 39,189 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Grandland X, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.